the Gaza Board of Peace is being watched, and will it replace the UN is the big question.
Close your deal, Mr. President.
Everybody wants to have the war end.
Peace between Russia and Ukraine is down to one issue.
We want to stop this war. That's why I think President Trump can. He really can, because he has dialogue with Putin.
Clearly are the showstopper here at Davos, who will be used in difficult jobs, but also the use of AI that has been the focus area of conversation during this year's World Economic Forum here at Davos.